On the 25th of May 2018, the European Parliament's General Data Protection Regulation comes into effect. This new law will strengthen data protection for EU citizens and change how businesses approach information security, data privacy, and governance. The legislation is pivotal for businesses operating in Europe because GDPR sees the introduction of mandatory security notifications, data breach fines of up to 4% of global turnover, and more freedom for citizens on how their personal data is used. The road to GDPR compliance is complex, but it can be achieved through some simple first steps. First, develop company-wide awareness of the legislation. Help colleagues understand how it affects your business. Help the board understand the legislation and the resources required to transform how the organization handles personal data. Appoint a Chief Data Officer to drive compliance internally, and, if required, a Data Protection Officer to assess the data protection requirements. Audit and review existing systems, procedures, and contracts with suppliers, and conduct an information audit. You should also assess privacy notices and procedures. Make sure you have the right procedures in place to detect, report, and investigate a security breach within 72 hours. The GDPR is coming. Are you ready to transform?